Today's video, guys, we're going to talk about Lucrosus Capital. So this is the world's first gamified DVC. So imagine if you are some sort of like an investor that are looking to get into a projects that are a lot more lower than the average investors. Probably this could be your choice because what this VC does is that they invest into quality projects, and then also not only you are going to get the growth of your tokens via into this company, but also you will get some juicy rewards like staking, and also you will be able to buy this token at the really small or cheaper price as much as possible. So if you like this content, of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and let's just jump right into it, okay? So to give you much more insight on how Lucrosus Capital works, I can give to you the trailer and the explainer so that you'll be able to understand what I am trying to say. So here we go.
Researching new cryptocurrency projects and keeping up with the market is a real time consumer. Imagine you had your own team of experienced crypto market experts, not only to do it for you, but also hyping and supporting your investments. All that with the privileges of being a fund, such as early entrants and more favorable prices than individual investors. Here comes Lucrosus Capital, the first decentralized venture capital focused on fostering development of the most thriving blockchain ideas. With our help, project developers may obtain required resources which are essential for growth of projects. Our commitment is rewarding not only for them, but also for our investors. Responsible for this is our token, Luca. This token allows its holders to participate in all investments made by the funds thanks to our shared allocation program. In Lucrosus Capital, we also make use of achieved profits and buy back Luca tokens from the market to reduce circulating supply. Additionally, Luca owners can benefit from other token utilities, including staking, deciding about timing of buybacks, enjoying Lucrosus Capital's research, or participating in direct meetings with developers of cooperating projects. Become the partner of Lucrosus Capital, and let's revolutionize the future of investing together.
All right, so that's the 1 minute and a half explainer of Lucrosus Capital. So by buying Luca, okay, you get to enjoy like all of the projects that the company already invested in through shared allocation program. So let me just tour you down real quick into the down into the lower part of the page. So you can see here, you can buy Luca at the very cheap price of around 0.0380 USD. And for you to be able to start and also get your own Luca tokens, okay, you need at least 100 token. That's the minimum. And if we're going to look into this mini calculator over here, 100 Luca is just $3. So basically into this project, you can start for as low as $3. You can even start for as low as $100, $200, $500. Depends on you. Depends on your risk tolerance. And of course, again, guys, this is just my rule of thumb. Okay, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research, DYONR, and also invest what you can afford. Invest work on those projects that you understand fully. Okay, so that's why I'm in here. I'm trying to make sure that you understand how this project works, and I pretty much think that you guys like understand it from a few words. Okay, the good thing here is that if you're going to buy right now, of course, again, this is not a financial advice, you can get 30% more in Luca tokens as a reward. So what does it mean is that you will be getting an additional tokens if you buy like right now, and also if you're going to generate your own unique link, and then someone actually like use the link for what they call that, use the link to buy Luca tokens, then probably absolutely you will get a share of Luca tokens as a reward as well. So there's no projections where where it's going to go up, or how long, or how if Luca is going to hit $1. Okay, so what I just know is that Luca token is, I think it's pretty much undervalued. It is just 0.03 USD, and it's pretty much like, it's almost the price. The price is almost the same with Axie Infinity's SLP. So why don't you just convert your SLPs, like a little bit of your SLP into Luca, and also enjoy the rewards, and also you'll be able to learn from their advisors as well, because they are also doing a lot of research, because research comes first before you actually invest your money. So if you're actually thinking, or you're asking if there's a white paper, of course, absolutely there is it. And also, this is the official, so I will be putting it down below for your reference, guys, so that you'll be able, or you will understand, and also you will get to research quickly, okay, what is this Lucrosus Capital all about. Okay, so again, the goal is to redefine the concept of investing by implementing all of the features to the venture capital. And let's just go stroll down in here. Okay, so this is like the problems as well, and this is how they want to solve it. So let's just go stroll down in here. So there is a team, so hold on, so it is on page 27. So the team behind Lucrosus Capital is Peter Barbachowski, which is the CEO and also the founder of Lucrosus Capital, backed by John Rozki. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but please correct me if I'm not. So also there's Matthias Sokzinski. Oh my god, these surnames are very hard to like pronounce. And also Christopher Pietkun is the strategy advisor. And if you're going to look into this, if you're going to look into this portion over here, okay, you'll be able to find every single details about this Lucrosus Capital's team. And also, if you're going to go back, okay, let's go back into the page over here. There's like, if you're going to toggle your mouse into the picture of the team, okay, you will find this one like YINN. So this is a shortcut for LinkedIn, and if you're going to click this one, it will actually appear. So of course, for you to be able to see the LinkedIn profile, you need to log in, but of course I'm not going to do that right now. But also, this is the roadmap of the project. Okay, they've already done with like the collaboration, the concept. They are just implementing and test the algorithm that they've created, or what that they've worked on since past months ago. Okay, so and in here we're looking at the up to 2023 roadmap, so you can toggle it directly here. So you can see that this just got listed, this just got started, like the public sale, and they're looking to put major CEX listings. So if it is actually like going to work, then absolutely this like 0.03 USD is just very like $1 per Luca is just very easy to hit and attain. And also this is the things that you're going to get to enjoy in Lucrosus Capital. One is via staking, governance, so you'll have a vote, also a buyback, so this is an indirect investment, so that there will be a lesser circulating supply into the ecosystem, and also an allocation to the direct investment. So this is pretty much one of the things that I'm pretty much like thrilled into, because getting an allocation with the really little amount, I could probably say, and getting it at the best price possible is just the easiest way for you to make money in cryptocurrency, because basically you bought into the deepest dip. Okay, you understand me? And also you're going to get an access to the highly advanced research. So of course this team has a research team, so you'll get to enjoy these access if you're going to buy Luca. All right, so of course do not forget to sign up in here. I will be putting the link down below So in my case, I've already signed up. So I'm just going to put my my email over here. So just click the continue. Of course, do not forget to get the what do you call that? Um, get the verification code into your email, and then go back. Let's go back. Where is it? So you put the authentication code in here, and then you are live. You can now buy Luca, and you can even buy Luca tokens via MetaMask, via Visa, via Google Play, even in Binance, MetaMask, Binance, Ethereum, Solana, Tether, Tron, whatever it is available into this platform. So I hope you guys understand this video. This is a video about Lucrosus Capital. Again, you can start for as low as $3, and I hope you like this content. Don't forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this. And this is Crypto Addict here, back again, and see you on the next video.